Guys, welcome back to my channel. So I don't know if I'm gonna have two intros or not, because I started decorating the living room on August 31st, but I had to stop the next day because Coda got injured and he's just now starting to heal. 2 weeks later, I'm filming this video on September 15th. So yeah, so Coda's doing a lot better. He's limping a little bit. He injured his elbow, so he's doing a lot better. So we're grateful for that. So in today's video, I'll be decorating our living room for fall. I just did a huge Amazon fall haul with home decor, fashion, and a little bit of beauty. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, I'll have that on the info card for you guys. So I'm gonna get into the decorating portion of this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. I'm gonna be decorating the living room, the kitchen, and the bedroom. So look out for those videos and I hope you guys enjoy it. So here's the living room after I took down all the summer decor and everything. And in front of the fireplace, I put all of my fall decor from last year and a few new things that I picked up this year. And some of this stuff I didn't keep. I did give some of it away to my sister and my mama because I've just decorated in a more minimal way this year. A little bit more minimal, not entirely minimal, but a little bit more minimal. And I decorate with vinyls. I've been doing that for the last year or two. I got that idea from my cousin Alex. Adrian picked out some vinyls from his collection that gave a fall vibe. And I'm going to be using those on the floating shelves above those two accent chairs that you see here. So this is what the living room looks like before I do anything. So we're going to get into styling the couches. So what I'm going to do now is put my pillow covers back on my pillow inserts. And if you don't know, with the pillows, I tend to go with an insert that is 2 inches bigger than what the size of the actual pillow cover is, so it looks more full and everything like that. I learned that on YouTube, actually, from watching a ton of decorating videos. And just switching out your pillow covers every season is just more efficient. It's easier to store those pillow covers versus a ton of new pillows. And I just changed up the blanket this year. This blanket is from Target. I had a black blanket last year, but I don't have that same blanket. But I wanted something that was black. This has more of a print to it than the one I had last year. And I kept my pillows the same. And I love how this turned out. I do decorate my couches differently because they are 2 different colors. So I'm going to actually decorate the like grayish cream couch that we have 2 different times in this video because I like how I did it this time, but the second way that I styled this couch looks even better. So if you watch my Amazon haul, I said I was going to do chocolate pillows in the back this time, but I kept my pillows from last year. And I kept my orange velvet pillows this particular day, but I'm going to switch those up. So we're going to move on to decorating our entryway table. So I already put my lamp on there that I got from Target. I'm going to be using this large gray vase that I picked up from Tuesday Morning last year. And I'm going to be using these orange stems from Michael's to contrast, all the dark colors that we have with the dark gray vase. And, all the black accents that I do have. And then I'm going to be using a stack of coffee table books. I'm going to put that in the center and then stack these metal storage containers that I picked up from Target from the Hearth and Hand collection this year. Then I put a green pumpkin and a smaller black pumpkin around the vase. And I put a orange lantern and a Kirkland's candle around the base of the lamp. I put my Target baskets down below, and then I took this pet supplies container that I got from Marshall's to store Coda's toys in a more stylish way. Put that in the middle, and then I put this olive green throw blanket in one of the baskets. I did go back and add an orange pillow in the left basket after this footage, and this is how the entryway table turned out. I think it looks really good. Love all the pops of color as well as, how moody it is with the black accents. Now I'm going to create a simple centerpiece for the coffee table. So what I did was I took this basket tray that actually was on clearance, I think, after summer of 2022. I picked that up. And then I put this vase that I got from Target and a mixture of different stems that look, autumnal. I put them in there. And then around the base of the tray or the inside, I put just different picks and stems in there, just to create like a foundation to put my pumpkin filler in. And this was really easy. I loved my centerpiece that I did last year, but this one was just, a lot easier to do. Very simple, and I just wanted to use whatever I had on hand. And so I had my pumpkin filler. I don't remember where I got this, maybe Joann. And I just put the pumpkins and the pine cones on top of those picks. And it created like a bed of, different florals and picks and stuff. And I think it's very simple and easy, and it looks so good. Okay, so it's a couple of weeks later, and I wanted to restyle this particular couch. So I'm going to take this faux fur blanket that I got from Amazon. This was in that haul that I recently did. I love this blanket. Even though it's like super thick, it's not like too hot. Very cozy, and it's one of my favorite pieces that I've recently, picked up for the house. And then I used my oversized pillow from Target. I was going to swap this out for a chocolate brown for more contrast, but this works perfectly. And then instead of using the orange velvet pillow like I did last year, I decided to go with the mustard yellow color or gold. This kind of looks gold to me, so it's like a softer contrast than using the orange. Either one is beautiful. And then I used this mustard yellow plaid throw that I had on the other end of the couch originally and put it on the right side of the couch. And I could just leave the couch just like this because this looks beautiful. It's simple and beautiful, has a lot of nice texture to it, but I wanted to add a plush Sherpa pumpkin to it just to make it more fall and autumnal. So love how the couch turned out. So going to move on to styling our 2 wood shelves. So I styled these in advance, and it takes a while to style shelves. So when you see me styling these shelves and it's like, wow, she's just putting the stuff on there and it's working. No, it's because I plan it out. I see what's working ahead of time, and then I edit along the way. So I got some pictures printed at Walgreens. Highly recommend just go through your camera roll and pick out some of your favorite pictures from previous falls, or, pictures that have, the fall colors to it or match your aesthetic, and just get them printed out. And that's what I did. And then I put up those vinyls that Adrian picked out. And I love how this turned out as well. I used more plums this year than I did last year, like those dark burgundies and stuff like that. And I think the shelves look really good. So I am going to use the lint roller because we had some like hair and stuff on those accent chairs, which is, to be expected because they're so white, and, stuff will get on there. So I used this green vase that I used last year, as well as these burgundy eucalyptus stems, these faux eucalyptus stems. I think these are from Michael's. I used that, and then I used this picture of Coda in his Halloween bandana and this small pumpkin just to style that small table. I didn't use any pillows on the accent chairs this year. I just wanted it to be a little bit more minimal because the other 2 couches are styled with pillows. I just wanted to, keep it more calm over here because I do have the, floating shelves above that are more, styled and have a lot of decorations and stuff on it. So I wanted the accent chairs to remain without any pillows. A new addition to the living room is this green accent chair that was originally in our bedroom. We brought it in here, and I'm using this funky pillow cover that I got from Amazon. This was supposed to go on the cream couch, but it didn't work there, but it works perfectly on this green accent chair. It's just enough whimsy, but not like overwhelming. It's perfect for that. And now we're going to work on the fireplace mantle and like the hearth area. So this is an area I restyled because I had it completely styled, and then I was like, I want to do something else. So I took this garland that I got from Amazon that was in that haul recently. It's like a willow. I think it's called hanging willow. And I have it in this beautiful burgundy color. And I'm going to be using the flameless candles that I showed you guys in my Amazon haul. And I'm going to use these lit pumpkins from Joann that I got last year. They do have a version for 2023 as well. I'll try to link what I can for you guys. And I wanted some light on the fireplace because I like to have light even during the fall, not just for Christmas. And then down below, I put this picture from Joann that says there's no place like fall. Then I put this woven pumpkin beside it, and then a smaller pumpkin from Target that I got last year. And of course, I like to decorate in odd numbers, specifically in 3. So that's what I did down there. And I'm just checking my work. And then I got this huge vase, I think from Joann last year. And I'm just going to be pairing that with these gorgeous faux stems that I got from Amazon. I didn't show you guys that in the haul because I didn't see it. I saw it after I did the haul. But it looks so good and vibrant, you know, in contrast to that dark amber bottle. So beautiful. And this is all I did for the fireplace, but it looks so cozy and perfect. And then lastly, I just styled this end table that we have simply with this amber vase and then these pumpkin eucalyptus stems that I got from Amazon. This was in that haul. That's all I did. I didn't do a whole bunch, but that's just enough. That's all you need. And this is the before I decorated. That's how everything looks. And this is the after. I love it. Adrian said this is probably the best yet that I've done with decorating the house. And I really do like how this turned out. I definitely edited it myself, but when I decorate, I like for my, you know, place to look like whatever season it's in. So it's like a perfect balance of cozy and warmth with a lot of color and moodiness with the black accents and everything, but it's still restrained. I didn't like go crazy in every single area. It just has areas of focus and then areas of rest as well. So really love how everything turned out. It has a lot of, you know, interest and personality to it, and it's definitely cozy. So I wanted to tell you guys, it was a 3-pack of the flameless candles, but I couldn't find batteries at the time. But then I found some, and this is what the flameless candles look like. The flameless candles, highly recommend them from Amazon. They look so real. Adrian didn't even know they were, you know, fake candles. So I have everything linked for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You know, happy fall. I'll have some more content coming for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.